From the MetroResponse news desk in Los Angeles, California, this is a news bulletin. Japan's meteorological agency has confirmed that a magnitude 6.8 earthquake has hit off Japan's southern coast. The meteorological agency has confirmed that there are no dangers of a tsunami from the quake Thursday. There were no immediate reports of damage or casualties. The quake hit off the coast of Amami Oshima Island in southern Japan at a depth of 37 miles, or 60 kilometers. More updates when necessary. This is Metro Response.